A critical second day of testimony in the trial of Adkins versus Idaho, with the plaintiffs arguing that Idaho's abortion laws are a dangerous barrier to care. I'm Riley Shoemaker, your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter, taking a look at what happened inside that courtroom as arguments were given surrounding medical ethics, legal risks, and patient safety. Day 2 of testimony in the Adkins versus Idaho trial picked up with Dr. Corrigan, the OBGYN returning to the stand to speak on Idaho's restrictive abortion laws. Corrigan says current laws complicate doctors' ability to provide essential, sometimes life-saving care. Her testimony defining medical terms used in instances where the unborn child is not likely to survive.
What does the term lethal fetal diagnosis mean to you as a physician?
It means that the fetus has been diagnosed with a condition that is known historically to have essentially no significant chance of sustained life after delivery.
Corrigan describes Idaho's high-stakes healthcare environment, noting that the fear of legal repercussions has caused some doctors to leave the state entirely, forcing those who remain to take on more shifts, leading to patient care delays. She also pointed out the risks involved in transferring high-risk patients out of state for care, saying factors like weather and transportation could seriously endanger patient safety mid-transfer. But the state re-emphasized Idaho's stance, saying all successful abortions end in the death of a baby.
And that testimony, you're referring to the mother, correct? That the risk of death for the mother is 14 times higher if she were to carry a baby to term as opposed to her having an abortion. Is that right?
Yes.
And what's the risk to the baby for an abortion? There's a 100% chance of risk of death of the baby if this abortion is successful. Is that correct?
Corrigan maintained that her priority is the health and safety of her patients. The state cited American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists guidelines, which urge doctors consider both mother and fetus. Corrigan said in her experience, the pregnant patient's life generally takes priority.
I do know that based on my training and experience and my knowledge of other ACOG and SMFM documents, that the general principle is that the mother or the patient's life, health, and autonomy always take precedence over the life and health of the fetus.
The latter half of the day was spent on testimony from medical records custodians at St. Alphonsus and other medical professionals, as this trial scrutinizes how Idaho's abortion laws impact medical ethics and patient care.